Hello everyone, this is a view from our bedroom in Venice, the Gritti Palace. As you can see, we were lucky to have a side view onto the Grand Canal. Our room category normally would have looked to the back of the hotel onto a square, but we were able to do it to get a room with that view. How nice it is. Not very nice weather this morning, a bit grey, rainy. It should get better by the end of the day. Hi, I'm Stephanie from the blog called FromThePoolside.com, where I feature boutique hotels and villa rentals for families who like their holidays very chic. And today I'm going to show you the Gritti Palace room that we have. So turning the view, and now if I turn around, this is the room. Not completely made up because we've been lazy, but I tried to tidy up a bit before showing you. So as you can see, so very classic style, really in blue, lots of fabrics. The palace has been completely renovated a few years ago. We have a mid-category room, which I can't remember the name of now, Il Grigio or something like that. So really lovely. It is quite big. We're here with our daughter, 8 years old, Mademoiselle, who has a rollaway bed here, which is very comfy. We've got a nice desk area, as you can see. Flowers, little chair, side tables, and a very, very big and very comfy bed. I'm going to turn back to Mademoiselle's bed. They very, very kindly left the lion as a teddy last night. As you can see, she left them for free. You can hear her behind. And as you can see, we left them a thank you note this morning. So turning around, going through. Zoe, do you want to do the rest of the tour? I am not showing Mademoiselle because she's a child and we keep her privacy, but you can hear her talk if she wants to. Do you want to show the rest of the tour in the bathroom?
Maybe.
Maybe? Should I give it to you then?
No, but first I need to have some water because my
okay, well then get some water, ma chérie. And in the meantime, I'm going to move a little bit. Hurry up, Zoe, because you can't really be there forever. Alright?
This was mine yesterday.
Okay, what we really liked about the room is that you've got a very nice entrance there. So it really gives you a feeling of being in a flat, so nice space. Hello from England, ciao from Italy, for those of you who are joining from around the world. It's really lovely to see you there. So again, and we have here all the nice mirrors. I don't have a full stand mirror at home, so it's very nice to be able to see myself standing up. In terms of packing your clothes, bonjour as well, thank you for the French. You can see here we've got space to hang things and little mirrors, little drawers. Close that, and another one here where we can put our coats, which are helpful because it is very cold in that. Okay. Russian, I won't understand. Anyway, another mirror. Okay, I'm gonna have to go into the bathroom.
Okay.
Alright, so now I'm going to show you a bathroom which is very lovely. So, kind of black marble, a bath, double sink with lovely Acqua di Parma products. That's my husband coming back from running. And the bidet, very continental. And the toilet. And here a nice shower. But yeah, the doorbell was my husband coming back from running. And a nice shower that is a bit like a mini wet room actually when you walk in. You can see, oh, I can walk. And I can walk again, and I can walk back. Oh, Finland! Hello, Finland! The hotel is the Gritti Palace in Venice. Gritti Palace in Venice.
Venice.
If you book via the Starwood preference program, you can actually get 4 nights the price of 3. So that's very, very interesting. Some frames everywhere. It is very beautiful, yes. And here you can have classic paintings as well of Venice. I don't know if you can see it. No, I think it's a 4 star. But you can check Gritti Palace.
Big bed.
And go by. I'm going to end up again. Big bed. Zoe, do you want to say a little word about the room? No?
Big bed.
Big bed. And I'm going to conclude on, again, the lovely view of the Grand Palace. No, I can't see. I can't show my daughter for privacy reasons. Don't show my child online. You can only hear her voice. And here we are. That's the street.
And they put
And
gardens
the Grand Canal again. All right. Voila. So that's us in Venice. Hope you have a good day too. We're off to see the Palais des Doges. And then we're going to have lunch at the Aman hotel, another very fancy hotel which we didn't stay at, but we would like to have lunch there. So I hope you have a good day and thanks for following us on that tour. Goodbye.